design a life you never want to escape from. Okay? What it means is, suppose you are an employee. Monday to Friday, you are working. That's all. Monday to Friday, you are working. You are an employee. Monday to Friday, you are working. What will happen is, do you know, when the Saturday will come, when the Sunday will come, you are always having this type of doubt. Correct, right? Respond. You never going to wait for Saturday, Sunday? Kya, Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
Eh?
We will wait. Wait, sir.
We are, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, when the Saturday will come? The Friday came means Friday afternoon onward celebrations are going to start. Saturday, Sunday, off. Saturday, Sunday, off. Next, Monday morning, the painful day in our life. Monday morning, most of heart attacks are going to come in the Monday morning only. Do you know, right? Legoto, just to wake up only, with the frustration they are going to wake up because they are going to go to the office, right? All the deadlines in the office, okay? All the things will come into the picture. Remember that. It's a bigger problem. Suicide is going to, the number of suicides are going to be happening on Monday morning. Number of suicides are going to be happening on Monday morning. Number of, heart attacks are going to be happening on Monday morning with full frustration. Means Monday, you are not come to the office. Assume that you are almost ready to start. Suddenly you got a phone call. Today is the office declared the holiday. What about your feeling? Yes, those. What about your feeling? Very happy, right?
Happy.
Very happy, right? So means you are escaping, you are trying to escape that office life. It's a clear indication. You are trying to escape that life. We should not, because we have to feel joy, we require to feel happy. Such type of activities only we require to do that. Suppose every day you are enjoying. Every day you are enjoying your work. Every day you are feeling full joy to do that work. Then automatically this person required any Saturday, Sunday holiday? This person required any vacation kind of thing? Because every day is enjoying in the work only. Then where is the question of Saturday, Sunday? He never going to wait for Saturday, Sunday. He never going to wait for, he never going to wait for vacation, something like that. Best example for me. Consider the difference, right? As an employee, you are always thinking that when the Saturday will come, when the Sunday will come. But consider my case. I'm taking these sessions. I never going to worry about when the Saturday will come, when the Sunday will come. That day my class is not there. I never going to have, because every day the Sunday to me, every day the Saturday to me. Every day I'm enjoying that work. Observe the difference. Are you seeing the point, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why for the last 300 days onwards, without taking single break, I'm taking these sessions. Not 1 or 2 days. 300 days onwards, without having the break, I'm taking these sessions because I'm feeling joy. I'm feeling happiness to do this. The same joyfulness, the same happiness you people should have in your work also. Highly recommended. Okay, when you are going to get that, you have to feel every day happy. You require to feel joy in your work. That thing must be required. So you should not feel any inconvenient to do our activities. That thing, the buyback life, that life is called buyback life. Design a life you never want to escape from. You never want to escape from. Such type of life you require to design. That life is called buyback, the buyback life.